Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. May Allah bless you with the purity of heart, good manners and good deeds. Ameen. Warmly welcome dear subscriber to my channel where style meets creativity. Dear viewers, in this video today we dive into the world of foot to nail art designs, offering you a plethora of inspiring ideas to elevate your fashion games. Whether you are preparing for a beach getaway, a glamorous event, or just want to add a touch of flair to your everyday look, we have got you covered. So, reviewers, join me on this creativity and creative journey and let your toes become a canvas of expressing your unique style. So, dear viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content on fashion, beauty, and self expression. So get ready to step up your nail game with your trendy foot to nail art designs. So dear viewers, discover the latest trend in the toenail art that go beyond the traditional pedicure. From the elegant French tips and intricate floral patterns to bold geometric shapes and dazzling glitters accents. So in this video, you can see very trendy and very stylish, flawless designs right in the comfort of your home. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch this video till end because this video is full of very stylish and very eye-catching designs of the foot to nail art beauty that can enhance the beauty of your beautiful feet and boost up your confidence. So dear viewers, keep watching and share this video to your friends and family members. So take care.